Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Ofe Nsala, also called white soup. So keep watching if you want to see how easy it is to make. In a clean pot, I will add my well-washed chicken and stock fish. I am using hard chicken for this recipe. You can use any proteins of your choice. Next, I will season with my roughly blended onions and pepper, seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning, and salt. I will mix to combine, cover and allow it to steam cook for 12 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. 15 minutes later, I will add enough water, cover and allow it to cook for a while before adding other ingredients because hard chicken takes time to cook. Next, I will prep my other ingredients and set aside. I've got crayfish, ozeza seed and ogiri Igbo. I will use my mortar to pound it. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Once that is done, I will set it aside for later use. Next, I check on the chicken and it's 80% cooked. Next, I'll add my crayfish, ozeza seed and ogiri Igbo, which I pounded earlier. I'll proceed by adding my dry catfish and mackerel fish. I'll add enough water that will be enough for the soup. Next, I'll add my peeled and washed yam that will serve as a thickener. Cover and allow it to cook. At this time, I check on the yam and it's soft. Next, I will transfer in my blender and blend until smooth. Once that is done, I will transfer the yam paste in my soup. Give it a good stir, cover and allow it to cook until the yam paste dissolves completely. After a while, this is what we have. I love the consistency. Next, I will add one seasoning cube and I will add my ozeza leaves. I'm going to allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes on a low heat. Don't forget to taste for salt. And we are done. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.